Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert USDC to USDT on MEXC. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you install the MEXC app? Launch any of your stores, which include Apple Store or Google Play Store, depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of these applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it takes you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in MEXC. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to convert USDC to USDT on MEXC. Now from here, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen. We have a couple of icons representing diverse features, and they include home, reward, trade, features, and wallet. Go ahead and click on trade, and that takes you over here. Now at the top corner, you have sports features and P2P. Set it to the sports tab. Now right under spot, you have the pay/USDT. Those are your coins. Go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, from this search bar, go ahead and type USDC. So you have to search for USDT/USDT. So that's USDC/USDT, which is the first thing we find here. Now click on that. Once you click on that, it takes you right into this window. Now at the top right corner, you have the buy tab and you have the sell tab. If you take it to the buy tab, it means you're converting USDT, all right, to USDC. All right, it means you want to buy USDC. But then for you to convert USDC to USDT, you need to take it to the sell tab. So over here, you're going to sell your USDC, set your limit, set your amount. And after selling your USDT, what you're going to get is USDT. So this is pretty much how you can convert USDC to USDT on MEXC. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.